Hey crochet besties, welcome to RP Treasure Shop. My name is Riley and today we are going to learn about chains and the difference between the front loop, the back loop, and of course the additional middle loop. I do have a tutorial of how to do the front loop and the back loop stitch, front loop only stitch and the back loop only stitch. So if you would like to learn more about it, you can check the tutorial linked down in the description down below. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I went ahead and made a pre-made chain to show you the different loops on a chain and where to crochet when a pattern says back loop only or front loop only or the third loop, or what I like to call the middle loop of the chain. So I got my crochet hook here to point it all out to you. We are going to try to get as close as we can to the camera so you can see the loops. If you don't see it very well, I will try to fix it in editing. So the first loop we are going to show is the front loop. And the front loop is the closest loop to you on the chain. My hook is being crazy. Closest loop to you on the chain is right here, which is the loop that is facing towards you. So this loop that is facing towards me is right on my crochet hook. I'm going to show you a little bit closer. As you can see on the chain, there's the loop facing towards you right here. And then there is the middle loop in the chain. Let me get it onto my hook. There we go. Right in the middle of the chain, there is a loop right in the middle of the chain, right there. And that is when it is called middle loop only. Right there. And then we have the back loop. The back loop is the one facing the furthest away from you. The loop facing furthest away from you is the back loop. Right here. Now this is for when you are working with a chain, like you chain like 35 or something, and then the pattern says to work in back loop only or front loop only or middle loop. And when you work in the middle loop, the bottom of your work would look like a top of the chain. So this would stay the same if you crochet in the middle loop only, and I will show you right here in a second. As you can see, I have crocheted up two little swatches. One is more smaller than the other because I'm running out of time to record. Anyways, this is when you regularly crochet on a chain with a single crochet. And this is when you do middle loop only. As you can see the difference, one has one loop with the lighter pink, and then the darker pink has two loops, and it kind of looks like a chain pattern at the bottom. It leaves a very good detail, and I really like doing this when it comes to dish rags, because I love how there's like a chain, looks like a chain at the bottom, and I really enjoy the look of it. So that is just to give you an idea of what to do when it comes to crocheting in the middle of a chain. At the back of the chain, you will see the middle loop. Anyways, that's gonna do it for today's tutorial. I hope you learned something new today. I certainly did. If you like this video and if you want more educational tutorials, or if you just like hanging out with me, please like, share, and subscribe. Definitely subscribe if you want to hang out with me. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. And I will see you in the next episode of RP Treasure Shop, or whenever I do a YouTube video. I will see you then. So that's gonna do it. See you guys later. Bye, besties.